Welcome back to Dad Deals for another edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of January 15th, 2024. First up from Home Depot, we have this awesome Milwaukee M12 combo kit. This comes with your high-speed 3/8-inch ratchet and a 3-inch cutoff saw, as well as two of the batteries, a charger, and a soft case. And it even includes some blades and that extra handle for the cutoff saw. So this is all for $200. It's down about half price and is a nice kit from that M12 fuel line from Milwaukee. If you don't have one of these battery daddies yet, you really need to check these out. They're on sale right now for just $10. It is totally worth that. Keeps all your batteries organized, and it holds a ton of batteries, up to 180 batteries, holds all the different sizes, and it actually includes a battery tester that actually works surprisingly well and is just very convenient if you ever need to know if a battery's dead or if it's half charged or how much charge it has left. But these things are awesome, and $10 is a great price for this. Walmart has a great deal on this Coleman Fold and Go grill. This thing is on clearance for just $39. And this is kind of like a more portable version of their road trip grill. And I can see this being great for tailgating, camping, obviously. It can use those portable 1-pound canisters. And it's just in a really nice compact design that'd be easy to pack and for just $39. Also over at Walmart, they have this awesome workbench. This is a 48-inch heavy-duty workbench. It has an adjustable height, steel frame, and nice butcher block top to it. This thing also has an integrated power strip that has some USB ports on it. So just a really nice workbench here for a great price at $150. That's $30 off the normal price. Another deal I found over at Walmart, and a really timely deal if you're dealing with a lot of snow right now, are these snowplow kits that attach to your ATV. This one's on sale for $252, but these things are usually pretty high priced, and this one looks like a pretty nice one here. It's a 48-inch snowplow and could really help you out if you're dealing with a lot of snow right now. Back to Home Depot, they have another Milwaukee deal. This is their M18 line, but this is their 170-watt power inverter, and you're getting a 6-amp-hour battery for just $150. That's a really nice price for that battery alone. And here you're getting that nice inverter that gives you the 120-volt outlet, as well as some USB ports, including the USB-C port. So you're future-proof there, but a nice pack here for $150. Rigid on their 18-volt line has this reciprocating saw kit that comes with the 4-amp-hour battery and charger for just $100. These tools are so great if you're doing any renovation work, demoing out something. These things can cut through almost anything. And $100, you're getting that battery charger and the tool, a great price. Also from Rigid, they have their 6-gallon portable pancake air compressor that comes with the 18-gauge brad nailer, 16-gauge straight finish nailer, and 18-gauge finish stapler, all for just $200. Looks like it also includes an air hose here, but just a nice starter set that'll really cover you in a lot of different projects you could use this for. And this is all just $200, about $100 off the normal price. Over at Lowe's, they have this great deal on this window and door expanding foam insulation. But this is sort of like the off-brand from your great stuff. If you need to fill any gaps around any windows or doors or anywhere else, you just spray this in and it will seal it up, so you'll be nice and insulated this winter. But this can is on clearance right now for just $1.22, which is a lot cheaper than the name brands that are around $5 or $6. So if you need some of this stuff, check it out. This is from the Handy Foam brand. Over at Best Buy, they have their Insignia branded 10.2 cubic foot chest freezer on sale right now for $300. The nice thing about this one too is it is actually garage ready. So that's kind of rare to see with these. People put them in their garage anyway, but this one being garage ready sometimes can handle the extreme cold or extreme hot temperatures that your garage can experience a lot better and be a little bit more efficient. But this one's a nice price. 10.2 cubic feet is a nice size for one of these, and $300 is a good price. Over at Walmart, they have on clearance their Pin 7-foot Pursuit 4 spinning fishing rod and reel combo kit for just $35. There's a nice price if you need some more fishing gear this spring and summer. Amazon has their Camelback water bottles on sale for just $9. This is the 32-ounce sized water bottle. And back to Walmart, they have this Shark wet dry vac. This thing has a 1-gallon capacity and it actually has some pretty neat features to it. It is a corded tool, so you will need to be by an outlet. But to clean this thing, you can actually just put the hose in a bucket of water and run it through, and it actually self-cleans itself. And then the other thing, it has this thing called any bag technology, where you can use any trash bag that you have, put it in there, and it just makes cleaning it out super easy. So some neat features here. I didn't know Shark made one of these things, but this one's on sale right now for $79. Home Depot also has the M12 Milwaukee battery starter pack. Here you're getting the 4 amp hour battery and the 2 amp hour battery and a charger for $79. So in that M12 Slim line, you're getting that extra capacity battery and then just a normal battery and the charger, all for 79 bucks. Amazon has these fine point Sharpies on sale for just $6.65. I love these things. They're great for writing. They have that ultra fine tip and can write on almost any surface, but this is a nice 12 pack here at a great price for $6. Also at Home Depot, they have the Ryobi drill and impact driver kit. This is a 20-piece set that comes with some drill bits and some screwdriver bits, all for just $6. Kind of a classic throwback here is this skill saw worm drive circular saw. This is $150. It is a corded tool, but this kind of has that classic skill saw design, and they really innovated the circular saw, and this is a nice price for $150. Over at Home Depot, they have this nice quick set smart front door lock. You are getting the deadbolt lock as well as the handle, and this set is on sale for $90. But once you go keyless entry on your door, you don't have to fiddle around with keys. You'll never go back. These things are awesome. And it is always nice. I always prefer when I'm dealing with anything like this, like home security, to go with a name brand like Kwikset instead of some of those other cheaper brands out there. And here's a nice price for a name brand at $89. Home Depot also has this Husky Mechanics tool set. This is a 270-piece set. It comes in a nice 3-drawered case to keep everything organized. But this is half off right now at $100. And here you're getting all the ratchets you need in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drives, as well as all the sockets, adapters, pretty much a full mechanics tool set here for a nice price at $100. And then of course, Husky does come with that lifetime warranty. If you're a fan of the Hot Ones YouTube channel, you can actually get their sample pack. This was sold at Sam's Club and it's on clearance right now for just $10. You're getting 5 of their sauces. So if you ever wanted to try them out, this is a great time to do it, and a nice price here over at Sam's Club. If you need to restock your garage fridge, check out these deals. This is the Mountain Dew Kickstart. This is one of my favorite energy drinks out there. It's pretty low calorie without being 0 calorie, and it has a nice kick to it, and also is actually a healthier alternative to the normal Mountain Dew, as it actually does have 10% juice. So a little bit healthier. I wouldn't call it healthy, but here you're getting the 12 count for just under $12, so just under $1 a can, and this is their pineapple orange mango flavor. And then another thing to stock up your fridge with is Gatorades. Here we have the Gatorade Zero variety pack. These are the 12 fluid ounce bottles for $12 for a pack of 24, so about 50 cents a bottle. So a great deal here on some drinks. Just a note, to get the lowest price, you do need to subscribe and save. Just make sure you cancel that right after your order ships so you won't get charged again. Another camping deal over at Amazon is this 24-piece Coleman enamel dinnerware set that comes with silverware in this nice folding case. But this is a great set if you go camping and you just want some nice plates and forks and knives. But this set is 64% off right now at just $20. If you have any New Year's resolutions to get fit this year, check out these Smart Rack dumbbells on sale for just $219. That's $300 off the normal price. But these things are nice. They save a ton of space. You can quick select between 5 and 52 pounds per dumbbell. So you don't need a whole set. You can just use these and get any weight that you need. And it also comes with a nice stand as well. Back to Walmart, another camping deal is they have this Ozark Trail folding portable stove on sale for just $7. But these kind of remind me of those camping stoves that you usually see at the picnic shelters that you might go to that look all rusted out. But here's a portable version so you can bring your own, and it's a great price at just $7. And then one last deal over at woot.com, that's Amazon's outlet site. They have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max brushless 5/8-inch hammer drill for just $114. This is tool only, so it doesn't come with the batteries, so you will need to already have some of those. But just a great deal on this hammer drill for $114. You're getting the top of the line. And over at Woot, if you are a Prime member, shipping is free. And I think if you're not, it's only about $5 shipping. But a nice deal here on this DeWalt tool. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you next time on Dad Deals.